is a fragrant and delicious plant that is an ingredient in many foods and beverages. It also has health benefits that may include relieving indigestion, improving brain function, and masking bad breath. 1. Rich in nutrients. While not typically consumed in large quantities, mint does contain a fair amount of nutrients. 2. May improve irritable bowel syndrome. Irritable bowel syndrome is a common digestive tract disorder. It is characterized by digestive symptoms like stomach pain, gas, bloating, and changes in bowel habits. 3. May help relieve indigestion. Mint may also be effective at relieving other digestive problems such as upset stomach and indigestion. 4. Could improve brain function. In addition to ingesting mint, there are claims that inhaling the aroma of essential oils from the plant could provide health benefits, including improved brain function. 5. Subjectively improves cold symptoms. Many over-the-counter cold and flu treatments contain menthol, a primary compound in peppermint oil.